To how to start freelancing for beginners. If you've ever dreamed of being your own boss and earning money from anywhere in the world, then freelancing might be just the right path for you. In this video, we will walk you through the fundamentals of freelancing, help you identify the most lucrative skills, and provide tips on building a successful freelancing career. So, let's dive in. The world of freelancing offers a vast array of opportunities for those willing to embrace the digital age. Freelancing allows you to work independently, choose your projects, and be in control of your own career. Now, let's delve into the key aspects of freelancing that every beginner should know. Freelancing is a form of self-employment where individuals offer their skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Instead of being committed to a single employer, freelancers have the flexibility to work with multiple clients and manage their own schedules. This freedom is what attracts many people to the world of freelancing. As freelancing continues to gain popularity, it is crucial to understand that competition can be fierce. Freelancing platforms, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, offer access to a vast pool of talented individuals from all around the world. To stand out from the crowd, it's essential to identify the skills that are in high demand and continuously refine your expertise. Now, let's explore some of the best freelancing skills that can help you increase your earning potential. Digital marketing, which involves promoting brands and businesses online, is a skill in high demand. SEO, search engine optimization, allows websites to rank higher in search engine results, driving more traffic and customers. If you have a creative flair, graphics design and logo design could be the perfect fit. Web development, creating and maintaining websites, is also a lucrative skill to possess. Lastly, data entry remains a consistent need for many businesses. To succeed in freelancing, it's important to stay focused and motivated. Here are a few tips to enhance your freelancing journey. Develop a strong online presence by building a portfolio and showcasing your work. Network with other freelancers and potential clients through social media platforms and professional communities. Continuously upgrade your skills by investing in online courses and staying up to date with industry trends. Provide outstanding customer service to build a strong reputation and secure repeat clients. Always negotiate fair rates for your services and be confident in showcasing your value. Congratulations! You are now equipped with the knowledge you need to start your freelancing journey. Remember, success in freelancing takes time, dedication, and continuous learning. But with the right skills and mindset, you can create a fulfilling and lucrative career as a freelancer. So go out there, explore your passions, and turn them into thriving freelance opportunities. Good luck!